Hello everyone, it's Emily, and in case you don't know what this is a Kentucky Wonder pole bean vine just starting. And in this video I want to show you how to train your pole beans on the pole if they're not being inclined to get around the pole. This one I'm not sure. It was leaned over kind of away from the pole earlier, so I'm going to help it along by just gently tying it up with some string. It's pretty much the exact same method as with when I did how to train the pea plant to a trellis. But somebody might not have watched that one and they want to know about pole beans and not peas. So what you want to do is you want to first of all find a place on the stem where there's going to be leaves above it, so it won't just, decent sized leaves, because these are too tiny up here. So I'm going to start below here. These leaves are bigger. And I'm going to very gently, because we don't want to wrap the stem, very gently just kind of wrap the string around it like that. And then I'm going to pull that vine, I guess is what you call it, onto the pole like that. And then I'm just going to tie a gentle knot on the other side of our pole. And this doesn't even have to be permanent, because once this thing gets going, it'll start wrapping around and it doesn't matter. Alright, so this is what we have. I've got it wrapped around here. And then I've tied it up on the other side like that. You've got the vine right against the pole, and now it'll want, it's just the instinct to start wrapping around something. So, and that is how you train a pole bean up a pole or a post or whatever. Sometimes they need a little help. All right. If this video has been helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your gardening friends. Make sure you just subscribe if you have not yet already for more vegetable gardening tips like this one. I hope to see you for the next video. In the meantime, happy gardening.